Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. Today we're going to show you the complete trial run of the 4-side EPS, package machine packaging of 50 kilo product. According to the customer's requirements, this 4-side EPS bar package machine is mainly used for packaging products made of rock wool combined with EPS, and the pusher needs to be able to handle a weight of about 50 kilos. Before starting the trial, we first weighed and measured the product to fully simulate on-site packaging conditions. In this demonstration, we placed an iron plate in the middle of the EPS sheets to simulate the weight. Package weight, 50 kilos. Package size, 1200x. (600x). 600 millimeters. Next, let's watch the whole trial process together. From placing the sheets to completing the wrapping, the entire process takes about 15 seconds. After packaging is finished, you can see that the overall wrapping is smooth, with firm and straight sealing lines.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.